That's so typical, isn't it?
The aperitif. Anna's entered. Because it's getting close to 1 o'clock, so we need to. But what I did get was quite. I got a book about trees.
Look about trees. Oh, of
No
course.
surprise there.
God, she is